Hello guys, happy high noon. Tapos na kami guys sa Bato Cave. Punta na naman kami doon sa KL Bird Park. Sige guys, doon na naman tayo sa third na destination yung guys, yung KL Bird Park. Okay guys, okay narrator, it's your turn, go ahead.
Thank you. The Clayal Bird Park, also known as the Kuala Lumpur Bird Park, is a popular avian attraction located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It is one of the largest covered bird parks in the world and is considered a must-visit destination for bird enthusiasts and nature lovers. Spanning approximately 20.9 acres, 8.5 hectares, the park is divided into several zones. The main aviary is a massive walk-in enclosure designed to resemble a tropical rainforest. It offers visitors a chance to wander through lush vegetation and observe a wide variety of bird species in a natural setting. The park also includes separate sections such as the Hornbill Park, Flamingo Pond, World of Parrots, and Eagle Feeding Area. The Clayal Bird Park is home to over 3,000 birds from approximately 200 species, both local and international. Visitors can spot colorful parrots, hornbills, eagles, flamingos, peacocks, and various other exotic bird species. Some notable attractions include the Indian blue peacock, crowned pigeons, toucans, and numerous species of macaws. The park provides amenities such as cafes, souvenir shops, and rest areas throughout the premises. There are also wheelchair-friendly pathways to ensure accessibility for all visitors. The Clayal Bird Park is a great place for photography enthusiasts as it offers numerous opportunities to capture stunning images of birds in their natural surroundings. However, it's essential to follow park guidelines and be respectful of the birds' well-being while taking photographs.
Okay guys, dito na naman kami guys. Dumating na kami guys.
Visiting the Clayal Bird Park is a unique experience that allows visitors to connect with nature and appreciate the beauty and diversity of bird life. It's a popular attraction for families, tourists, and anyone interested in learning more about birds and their conservation. Koi, scientifically known as Cyprinus carpio, is a species of freshwater fish that belongs to the family Cyprinidae. It is a domesticated variety of the common carp, which is native to Asia and Europe.
Ito yung panangharian namin guys.
The sun conure, scientifically known as Aratinga solstitialis, is a medium-sized, brightly colored parrot species that is native to South America. It belongs to the family Psittacidae, which includes parrots, macaws, and parakeets. The Indian ring-necked parakeet, scientifically known as Psittacula cremeri manalensis, is a medium-sized parrot species that is native to the Indian subcontinent and surrounding regions. It belongs to the family Psittacidae, which includes parrots, macaws, and parakeets. The western crowned pigeon is known for its remarkable appearance and size. It is one of the largest species of pigeon in the world, measuring about 70-75 centimeters 27-30 inches in length and weighing around 2.2 kilograms 9 pounds on average, scientifically known as Gura cristata. The white peafowl displays pure white feathers. It retains the iconic long and iridescent tail feathers of the male peafowl, known as the train, which can reach lengths of up to 1.8 meters 6 feet. Scientifically known as Pavo cristatus albus, is a unique color variant of the Indian peafowl Pavo cristatus. The domestic turkey, scientifically known as Meleagris gallipago, is a large bird that is primarily raised for its meat, eggs, and feathers. It is a member of the Phasianidae family, which includes other game birds such as pheasants, quails, and grouse. The Asian black hornbill, also known by its scientific name Anthracoceros malayanus, is a species of hornbill found in Southeast Asia. It belongs to the family Buceratidae, which includes various hornbill species. The southern pied hornbill, scientifically known as Anthracoceros concretus, is a species of hornbill found in Southeast Asia. It belongs to the family Buceratidae, which includes various hornbill species. Scarlet macaw, scientifically known as Aramacau, is a large and vibrantly colored parrot species native to the tropical forests of Central and South America. It belongs to the family Psittacidae, which includes various parrot species. The blue and gold macaw, scientifically known as Ara ararana, is a large and strikingly colored parrot species native to the rainforests of Central and South America. It belongs to the family Psittacidae, which includes various parrot species. The cockatiel, scientifically known as Nymphicus hollandicus, is a small parrot species native to Australia. It belongs to the family Cacacidae, which includes various cockatoo species, have a prominent crest on top of their heads, which they can raise or lower depending on their mood. The plum-headed parakeet, scientifically known as Psittacula cyanocephala, is a small to medium-sized parrot species found in the Indian subcontinent. It has a slender build, measuring around 13-14 inches 33-35 cm in length from beak to tail. The African gray parrot, scientifically known as Psittacus erythicus, is a highly intelligent and popular bird species native to the rainforests of West and Central Africa. It belongs to the family Psittacidae, which includes other parrot species. Hill myna, scientifically known as Gracula religiosa, is a bird species belonging to the starling family, Sternidae. They have glossy black feathers, bright yellow or orange skin around their eyes, and a vibrant yellow beak. Their appearance is further accentuated by white wing patches. The golden pheasant, scientifically known as Chrysolophus pictus, is a species of bird belonging to the family Phasianidae. It is also commonly referred to as the Chinese pheasant, are ground-dwelling birds that prefer forested areas with dense undergrowth. The sun conure, scientifically known as Aratinga solstitialis, is a vibrant and colorful parrot species native to the northeastern regions of South America. It belongs to the family Psittacidae, which comprises various parrot species. The silver pheasant, scientifically known as Lophura nycthemera, is a species of large, beautiful bird belonging to the family Phasianidae, primarily found in forested habitats, including dense jungles and bamboo thickets. The northern red-billed hornbill, scientifically known as Tachus erythrincensis, is a medium-sized bird with a predominantly black body and a distinctive red bill. It has white plumage on its belly, tail, and wings, with black markings on its face and neck. The pied imperial pigeon, scientifically known as Ducula bicolor, is a large bird species belonging to the pigeon and dove family, Columbidae. It is also commonly referred to as the Torresian imperial pigeon or the nutmeg pigeon. The Lady Amherst's pheasant, scientifically known as Chrysolophus amherstii, is a colorful and distinctive bird species belonging to the family Phasianidae. It is named after Lady Sarah Amherst, the wife of the British Governor-General of India, who brought the species to England 19th century. The violet turraco, scientifically known as Musophaga violacea, is a bird species belonging to the family Musophagidae. It is also commonly referred to as the violaceous turraco or the violet plantain eater. The species is native to the tropical rainforests and woodlands of West and Central Africa. The channel-billed toucan, also known as the yellow-ridged toucan or simply channel bill, has the scientific name Ramphastus vitellinus. It has a large, robust body with a total length of around 55 to 65 centimeters 22 to 26 inches. The Eurasian jay, scientifically known as Garrulus glandarius, is a colorful and intelligent bird belonging to the crow family, Corvidae. It is also commonly referred to as the jay or simply as the jaybird. The emu, scientifically known as Dromaeus novahollandii, is a large flightless bird native to Australia. It is the largest bird species in Australia and the second tallest bird in the world, surpassed only by the ostrich. The scientific name of the ostrich is Struthio camelus. The genus name Struthio is derived from the Greek word strauthus, meaning sparrow. This name refers to the bird's small head and long, slender legs, which are somewhat reminiscent of a sparrow. Ostriches are native to the African continent and are renowned for their incredible speed, reaching speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour. The scientific name of the southern cassowary is Casuarius casuarius. The genus name Casuarius refers to the Cassowaries classification within the Casuariidae family, which includes several species of large flightless birds. The yellow-streaked lory is a species of parrot native to the island of New Guinea. Its scientific name is Calcopsitis scintillata. These lories are medium-sized parrots, reaching an average length of about 30 centimeters 12 inches. They have a relatively short tail and strong legs. The African gray parrot Psittacus erythicus is a highly intelligent and popular parrot species native to the rainforests of West and Central Africa. Are medium-sized birds, measuring about 30 centimeters 12 inches in length. The blue-fronted Amazon, also known as the turquoise-fronted Amazon or simply blue-fronted parrot, has the scientific name Amazona estiva. They also have a red patch on the shoulders and yellow markings on the wings and tail. The beak is black, and the eyes are orange or yellow. The umbrella cockatoo, scientifically known as Cacatuea alba, is a large and iconic species of cockatoo native to the islands of Indonesia. The average size of an adult umbrella cockatoo is around 46 to 52 centimeters 18 to 20 inches in length.
Guys, hello.
The black-crowned crane, scientifically known as Balearica pavonina, is a majestic bird belonging to the Gruidae family. It has a predominantly gray body, with black wings and a long black neck. Its most distinctive feature is the crown of golden yellow feathers on its head. Flamingos are a group of large wading birds known for their distinctive long legs, long necks, and vibrant plumage. Scientific name for the flamingo genus is Phoenicopterus. Their striking plumage and elegant movements make them a popular subject of fascination and admiration. The spotted wood owl, scientifically known as Strix celaputo, is a medium-sized owl species belonging to the family Strigidae. It has a rounded head with prominent ear tufts or horns that are typically shorter than those of other owl species. The upper parts of the owl are dark brown. The barred eagle owl, also known as the Malay eagle owl or Bubo sumatranus, is a large owl species belonging to the family Strigidae. The upper parts are dark brown with fine barring, while the underparts are pale with heavy dark brown barring and the legs are feathered. The Oriental bay owl, scientifically known as Phytolus batius, is a small owl species belonging to the family Titanidae. It is a small owl with a stocky body and a large, round head. It typically has a reddish-brown or chestnut-brown coloration with darker markings.
Labas na kami guys. Tapos na yung pagod namin. Naubos na.
The Clayell Bird Park has established itself as a prominent avian conservation center, providing visitors with a unique opportunity to observe and learn about a wide variety of bird species. By addressing challenges and implementing recommended strategies, the park can continue to play a vital role in bird conservation and education while offering an exceptional experience for future visitors. Our next destination, guys, is the Chinatown in Allan Petalak City Center.